Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make bottle gourd curry or Lauki ki sabzi. Very healthy side dish that best goes with steamed rice or even with chapathi or rotis. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pressure cooker. To this add half cup of clean washed Toor Dhal. Then add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves, 2 green chillies, 1 tomato roughly chopped, and a pinch of Asafoetida. To this add 2 cups of water and give it a quick mix. Now close the pressure cooker and cook for 4 whistles until the dal is nicely done. Now the pressure has settled, so let's open and check. The dal is nicely cooked and mashed, so let's keep this ready and start the preparation. Heat a kadai. To this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1 onion finely chopped. Saute until the onion turns transparent. Now the onions are nicely done, so go ahead and add 250 grams of chopped bottle gourd and mix it well. Then add a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Now the bottle gourd has started releasing some water, so at this stage go ahead and add the cooked dal and mix it well. Let this cook for 10 minutes in medium flame until the water reduces and we get a nice and thick consistency. Now it's nicely boiling. It's been 10 minutes now and the water has nicely reduced and we have the perfect consistency. So give it a quick mix and off the flame. Finally, garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves and a delicious bottle gourd curry or Lauki ki sabzi is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice or rotis or chapathis and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and delicious side dish recipe. So do try this bottle gourd curry or Lauki ki sabzi recipe at your home and write back me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.